Okay, welcome back guys. I'm very sure that you read the title and you saw the thumbnail, so you definitely know what we're going to be doing today. We're going to be making a glass morphism effect in Photoshop, and without wasting any more time, let's dive straight into Photoshop. Now, to create this effect, we are going to want to drop in your image or the design you are intending to use this on. Now we're going to bring in a rounded rectangle into the project. Then you click on the layer styles and then reduce the fill to near 0. Next, you are going to go to the stroke section and then make the stroke a gradient. The gradient should be a white to a slightly off-white. Then reduce the opacity of the white by clicking that top thing on the slider. Then reducing the opacity to something low. Then you click on the second off-white, then reduce to something also low. Then you reduce the opacity of the stroke to something that is about half. And with that, you're pretty much done with the entire effect. So you can just, what up? You have to about something. And what's that? Okay, let me explain to them. So what you're going to want to do is that after you're done with the stroke, you're going to want to go into the gradient panel. Then you're going to take the stroke from white to off-white. Then you're going to use two sliders on top to take the white to something below 35%, then the off-white something below 10%. Then you can mess around with the angles. This is what will actually give the effect, the glass look that we want. So yeah, you're welcome. Okay, yeah, guys, it's actually right. So do that and you are pretty much done with the entire effect. So if you enjoyed this video, make sure to smash the like button and subscribe. Then click on this video you're seeing on the screen right now because it's going to teach you something relating to John Wick. You're welcome.